Hi, in this video, we will show you the steps to create the replication controller using scripts in Kubernetes environment. We have already configured 2 nodes cluster in our environment. For more information, please check the blog link in the video description box. Create a new script file. This code will create 4 pods using the replication controller. You can find this code in our blog link. Use this command to create the replication controller using script file. Replication controller created successfully. Currently the pods are in creating status. After few seconds, all 4 pods are in running status. Verify the current replication controller status. You can see the desired state is matched with current state. Describe command will show the detailed information about the replication controller. You can see more information like pod created events, desired state and actual state status, etc. There are 4 pods available in replication controller. Let's delete one of the pod and let's see how replication controller reacts. Pod deleted successfully. Kubernetes will start creating a new pod automatically. Kubernetes will keep on checking the desired state. When the desired state fails, Kubernetes takes own action to restore the state. Currently the new pod is in creating status. After few seconds, new pod is in running status. Also the desired status is matched with current status. Thanks for watching this video.